Hello friends, my name is Amber Agrawal. I currently study in class 12th and I belong to Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. I joined Akash Byju's in class 10th. Akash had a very reputed name in the field of education. Therefore, I thought to give it a chance to help me pave my dreams. Akash was also a choice of my seniors, my friends. Therefore, I also joined Akash Byju's. In class 10th, I came to know about the IUQM exam, that is the Maths Olympiad, and I prepared for it. That maths was something different from a routine mathematics and I enjoyed solving it a lot. Although that year I could not perform much well in IUQM, but that helped me to know that I love mathematics and have to pursue my career in engineering. Then I joined Akash Byju's so that I could make a good career in engineering and qualify the IIT JEE exam with flying colors. ANTHE is a national level exam. The forms of ANTHE came into my school and my teachers motivated me to write ANTHE to know my national level standing. By ANTHE, I got a 100% scholarship and therefore I decided to join Akash Byju's. Everyone has some dreams in life. I was very ambitious from a very early age and had many dreams, but I did not know how to fulfill them. Dedication and commitment are the most important to transform your dreams into reality. Now, when I joined Akash Byju's, I was completely clustered. I did not know how to prepare and how to secure a good rank. It is very helpful for me in Akash to be with mentors who constantly motivate me and then help me resolve my doubts. If you are ready to be Arjun, then Akash can be a perfect Sarthi. My teachers' motivation, dedication helped me to work harder and harder and push my limits so that I can do great in life. My preparation strategy in JEE can be listed in a few points. First of all, I believe in making daily timetables. If you have no timetable made in your life, then you cannot achieve success. Small steps taken daily can help you achieve great. I revised all that my teacher taught just after the class, and then I also resolved daily doubts from my teachers. I didn't make much backlogs and also ensured that there are no doubts. In the mock test, I used to feel that I forgot some topics. Then I went home and revised the topic at that moment. Secondly, it is very important to practice questions. Just reading the concepts will not help you. You have to practice number of questions so that you can be thorough with that concept. Third, you need to make good performance in your mock test. Mock test helps a lot because they help us know how the questions will be asked in the JEE exam. Akash mock tests were nearly close to the actual JEE exam. But we should not remain demotivated from that mock test. We should learn from our mistakes and try not to repeat them again. मुझे फिजिकल चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ा था. जैसे 11th क्लास में स्टार्टिंग में ही मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बैक पेन होना शुरू हो गया था. Then we went for test and then it was diagnosed that I was diagnosed with an infection. Then I was bedridden for 7 to 8 months. पूरी 11th क्लास में मैं बेड से उठ नहीं पाया था और चल नहीं पा रहा था. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही थी बिकॉज कोरोना का टाइम चल रहा था और मुझे टीचर्स ने बहुत अच्छे से मोटिवेट किया कि मैं अपनी JEE जर्नी कंटिन्यू करूँ. बहुत लोगों ने ये भी बोला कि मैं अपनी JEE जर्नी उस समय छोड़ दूँ और अपनी हेल्थ पे ज़्यादा फोकस करूँ, बट मुझे ये नहीं करना था. मैंने सोचा नहीं, मैं ऐसी हालत में भी पढ़ाई करूँगा और JEE नहीं छोड़ूंगा. टीचर्स ने भी मेरा इसमें पूरा साथ दिया और जब मैंने उनसे कुछ भी हेल्प मांगी, चाहे वो डाउट्स हों, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस हों, मॉक टेस्ट हों, उन्होंने कभी मना नहीं किया. मुझे कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं कुछ कम कर रहा हूँ या अपनी JEE जर्नी में कुछ अपना लॉस कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा थोड़ा कभी कभी डिमोटिवेशन आता था. ऐसा लगता था कि सिर्फ मैं ही क्यों जिसके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम हुई है, बट करना तो था ही क्योंकि JEE में रैंक तो लानी ही है. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा नहीं, मैं करूँगा. और 12th क्लास में फिर जब थोड़ा बेटर हुआ तो मैं वो सब टॉपिक जो 11th में थोड़े वीक रह गए थे अपने टीचर्स के पास लेके गया और उन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी. इन दिस सोशल मीडिया वर्ल्ड देयर आर मेनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस सो दैट स्टूडेंट्स कैन वेस्ट देयर टाइम, बट आई मैनेज्ड टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल दीज डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. I only use WhatsApp, that too to interact with my teachers. I had no other account on any platform. I advise my juniors to study consistently and make notes, study NCERT, do multiple revisions, multiple practice, solve all the materials provided by Akash Byju's. Happy learning, all the best and thank you.